Good morning and welcome back. It is a first alert weather day here, and we're trying to get you ready. Unlike yesterday, where it was just some specific neighborhoods, mainly to the east, today everybody has that risk of some severe storms, and everybody's going to be feeling the heat too. 77 already off to a sultry start on the WJZ Outback, and you're feeling that humidity. It's ripe. You know, it's Maryland and it's summertime, but it's also really hot in here. And we don't want to see any more accidents or problems like what we saw up in Bell Camp on Sunday. That was obviously due to extreme heat. And I just want to illustrate, because I've done some calculations this morning on how quickly your car could heat up with the temperature of high of about 95. So we're going with a high of about 95 today. So after 10 minutes of your car soaking in that heat, it's 114 degrees. After 20 minutes, 124 degrees and 138 degrees, which is almost unsurvivable here. Your car literally turns into an oven. So I know a lot of you are busy with routines and whatnot here. Please check the back of your seat here to make sure that you don't have pets or your kids in there on summer days. Again, that was with a 95-degree temperature, which we may hit here this afternoon. So afternoon and evening severe storms are possible not only today, but tomorrow as well. In addition to the potential of some winds, maybe upwards of 60 or 65 miles per hour. Not everywhere we'll see this, but there will be some pockets of flash flooding where these storms stall. So just be very careful. If you see floodwaters, turn around, don't drown. Most of you will not see that, but there is the chance in some communities we will. Everybody sees the tough heat before the storms, especially I-95 and points east. That's where we see our hottest temperatures today in the lower 90s, southern Maryland to the eastern shore. Everybody has that chance of some afternoon strong to severe storms. Right now, it's warm. It's very muggy outside. 81 in Annapolis, 85 in Stevensville. That's what it feels like. First alert radar, nice and quiet. You're not going to see the storms activate until probably after about 12 or 1 o'clock, thriving off the heat and humidity of the day. Here's our future radar. I sped it up to 3 o'clock. You can see isolated storms forming. Look what happens by 4 o'clock. Starts to turn into more of a line, and that's when we get the potential of some of those damaging wind gusts in pockets where the wind surges out. So if you get a warning, make sure that you're inside in a sturdy shelter. In addition to downpours, you could get some intense lightning as well. Tomorrow, we do this all over again. So a very warm, muggy start. Temperatures get into the 90s, and then hit or miss strong to severe storms here tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow, I think they're a little bit less concentrated than today, but the risk is still out there with an alert day. We're on a quarter today in Abingdon, 93 degrees, 91 in Rising Sun. Up in Cecil County, northeast, 92 degrees. Baltimore City, it's going to be a steam bath today, mid-90s. Keep your eye to the sky. A lot of you will be out at the city pools, which you should do, but just keep that ear out for that roar of thunder. If you hear thunder roar, go indoors. You're close enough to get struck by lightning, and we don't want to see that. So just play it safe here today and tomorrow with another alert day. Tomorrow's temperatures feeling tough again in the 90s. Upper 80s with your actual air temperature. Strong storms possible in the afternoon. We're on your weekend forecast with the Super 7-Day in the minutes ahead, 5:16. Let's turn it over to a Tuesday morning commute and find out if it's terrific. Here's Angela Foster, First Alert Traffic.